Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into a new word each episode to expand your English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're exploring a fantastic word, academy. Now, academy is a noun and refers to a school or institution dedicated to learning. When we think of an academy, we imagine a place focused on education, where students gather to study subjects in a structured and sometimes specialized environment. This could mean a general academy for higher education, a military academy for defense training, or even an arts academy that nurtures creativity. Let's look at some synonyms for academy. We might use words like institution, school, or college to convey a similar meaning. For instance, you could say, after high school, she attended an arts college to pursue her passion. Here, college has a similar role, emphasizing specialized learning. Another example could be, many students dream of studying at a prestigious institution, where institution stands in for academy in a formal learning context. In contrast, an antonym for academy could be playground or amusement park. Unlike an academy, which focuses on structured learning, these places are dedicated to leisure and fun. For example, you might say, instead of going to an academy this summer, he spent his days at the playground, emphasizing a setting for play rather than study. Now, let's think about how academy appears in everyday conversations. You might hear someone say, she's enrolled in a well-known language academy to improve her skills, or the academy offers courses in a range of subjects, from science to literature. In each case, the word academy highlights a place dedicated to learning or training. Or perhaps someone might say, joining the academy was the best decision for my career, showing how academy often implies an institution that supports personal growth and development. So, to wrap things up, today we explored the word academy, a noun that refers to an institution for learning. We touched on some synonyms like institution, school, and college that convey similar meanings, and antonyms like playground and amusement park, which stand in contrast by focusing on recreation instead of structured learning. Thanks for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And before you go, I have a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using academy and share it in the comments below. I can't wait to see your creativity in action.